Here we were tasked with putting in 100 feet of curtain drain. The customer's lawn was constantly soaked because of the uphill neighbor's water coming down through. So prior to this video, I had dug out for the drain and found that it was just all clay. So we decided we had to haul that material away and never see it again. So the guys are taking the panels for the fence off so we can run it out through there. And then came in, sprinkled a little bit of 3/4 inch stone in the bottom. And then the guys laid the 4-inch flex pipe that's perforated with a sock on it. And then we backfilled the trench with 3/4 inch stone. Used about 5 tons for 100 feet. And it goes right down through the fence and then turns the corner. Not a lot of elevation to work with here. And then once the stone's all done, the guys laid in the landscape fabric on top of that. And once the fabric's in, brought in about 6 or 7 yards of topsoil and covered that. And the boys raked it out and then started putting the fence back together before we seed and straw everything. And I want to point out, my guys came in on a Sunday because the weather was nice, and they both volunteered to come in and work on a Sunday with me. And I cannot express how happy I am with them, and I admire their dedication. It's hard to find good people these days. So once they got the fence all put back together, they're going to come back through, do a little raking, and then seed, 19 starter fertilizer, and then straw. And luckily this guy has an irrigation system, so we know that all this new grass we're putting in is going to grow, because we're not counting on somebody to go out and set up a bunch of sprinklers and timers and dedicate the time required to make the grass grow. Because we all know the only secret ingredient for good grass is water. Anyway, we're all set and done, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.